Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your favorite song lyrics into stunning, eye-catching posters. So without further ado, let's dive right in. For this tutorial, we're going to need to use Inkscape. Inkscape is a free open source vector drawing software. If you don't have it installed on your computer, go ahead and download and install it. So once installed, go ahead and launch it. Choose any print size you like. Once the document opens, go to the toolbar on the left and pick the spiral tool. Click at the center of the document and drag outward to create your spiral. The first time you do this, you'll notice that the space between each turn is wide. We have to shrink that. To do so, look for the options in the menu for turns. Increase that number to 9 or 10. Of course, you need to keep in mind how long your lyrics or text is going to be. Now you have to make room at the center of the spiral for the record label, which we're going to add later. To do that, increase the inner radius value. Simply click the plus button several times to create enough space inside for the label to fit into. You can also do the same by using the handles at each end of the spiral. Simply get close to the handle, its color will turn green, then click and drag it to the left or to the right. Doing so will increase or decrease the length of the spiral. Now, since most Latin languages are written from left to right, we need to flip the spiral horizontally. To do this, go to Object and scroll down and choose Flip Horizontal. Now the direction of the spiral is going inward in a clockwise fashion, which is perfect for what we want to do here. Now this spiral shape is technically not a pad yet, so go to Pad, then Object to Pad. Then again, go to Pad and choose Reverse. This last step ensures the text begins from the outer edge of the spiral. Finally, go to File and Save As. Choose the location, maybe on your desktop, and click Save. Now, if you haven't downloaded the provided template yet, now is the time to do it. The link is down below. On Photopea's homepage, click Open from Computer. Look for the template file and open it. The poster has several design elements, mainly the head on the top right, this circular shape in the center. This is the label I was referring to earlier, basically just the song title and the artist name, and there is a text layer at the bottom. Next, go to File and Open. Choose the shape we created earlier and open it. From the Layers panel, click on the shape layer to activate it. Pick the rectangular shape tool in the tool options under the menu, go to Stroke and disable it. Right click on the layer and choose Duplicate Into. Choose our main template document from the list and click OK. You can now close the shape document since we no longer need it. Pick the Move tool and drag the spiral shape to the center of the template, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to bring up the Transform tool. Hold Shift and Alt keys together and drag outward to make the spiral wider. And move it a little bit up to align it with the label. Once done, click the check mark at the top to save the changes. Now for the lyrics. Open a browser page and search for your favorite song lyrics. Because of how lyrics are usually written, there are a lot of line breaks that we have to remove. I found an easy way to do this using this website, which I will leave a link to down below. Simply copy your lyrics and paste them in the first box, then click on Remove Line Breaks button. As you can see, the output doesn't have any line breaks. Click on Copy to Clipboard. Go back to Photopea and pick the Type tool. Open the list of fonts and choose your favorite. I went with a font called Glada. Click somewhere on the outer edge of the spiral and press Ctrl plus V to paste in your lyrics. The text size is a bit small, the lyrics are not reaching the end of the spiral. Press Ctrl plus A to select all and increase the text size a little bit, so the text goes all the way to the end of the spiral. If you still have empty space left, open the character window and increase the tracking 1 or 2%. Click the check mark at the top again to save the changes. Now all you have left to do is customize the label at the center with your own artist name and song title. You can also change the text at the bottom, which is completely up to you. That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed following along. If you learned some new tips and tricks, then make sure you give this video a like, share it with a friend. Stick around for more videos like this coming in the future. Talk to you soon.